to find the deleted friends in your Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can find the deleted or remove friends into your Snapchat. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Snapchat and you have to go into your chat section. Now once you are in here, basically there is two options to find out the deleted or remove friends. The first step that you have to do is go into your add friends or the search, and from here you have to add their username, because if you remember their username there is only one method to add them. So you just have to add them back by searching their username. Now the second option is you have to go into your quick add. Now Snapchat basically assumes that maybe the friends that you want to add them back, so here you just have to scroll through this list and here you have to find out the friend that you want to add back. Now from here you just have to add them and you are able to find the or add the deleted friends into your Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.